Yo, let's talk about it. We gotta talk about it.
What's going on, everybody? HondaPro Jason here, picking up my dream car. No, it is not the NSX, but yes, it is a 1971 Honda 1300 Coupe 9S. Check this out. This car originally was imported from Australia, never available in the US. This is only available in Japan, New Zealand, Australia. It is powered by a 1300 cc engine, where I'll show you guys that in a moment. But just check out the body style. This is the coolest thing I have ever seen. I've seen this a couple of other times. You guys remember I drove a green Coupe 7 out in Denmark. So I have looked at this car for many, many years online. Never ever seen one in real life, in person, like I see it here in Denmark. And we are about to take a ride in it. Honda 1300. It is air cooled, and this is the 7. So it's a coupe. So we're gonna take this out for a ride, and let's see how this goes. And off we go. 105 horsepower. This is awesome. I never thought I'd drive this car. I wasn't even sure if I'd ever see this car. And I'm in Denmark driving this car. Wow. This is great. I've seen it at the Honda Collection Hall. I'm at Honda's Collection Hall in Japan. Yeah, so this is a 99 S Series 1300. Air cooled. If I ever have a chance to buy a Japanese Honda, this is one of them that I want. The other one is going to be the coupe version right over here, which is going to be a 9. I got very few examples. Some people say only 6 or 7 examples left in the whole world. And now I am a proud owner. And it's very, very muscle car-like. Mr. Honda loved Firebirds. In fact, he used to have a Firebird t-shirt and own a Firebird in Japan. They used to drive people crazy driving it all over, and you can see some of the similarities, especially in those gauges. Very muscle car-like. Absolutely love it. I have some huge, huge plans for this car. It does have a full back seat, and it's in really, really good shape. The underside of the car is absolutely amazing looking. And underneath the car, leave it up for a second. It is really, really clean for being 50 years old. And look at this suspension. These arms go all the way across on both sides. And it's unique, and as far as I know, it's never ever been repeated in any other car. In this car, they say that it drove like a rear-wheel drive car, even though it's front-wheel drive. Solid all the way around. Look at that. And it is the Coupe 9S. The S, I'm assuming, stands for sporty, but we will find out more as we go along. I have some big, huge plans for this car. I've wanted this car for years and years. I have some really big plans for it, and we will see how it all comes together. So it is a 1300 cc 4 carburetor, air cooled with the dry sump. So there's a lot of new things I'll be learning about the car, and we'll need to turn it over, get it running here very soon, and get this out to show you guys some of the cool and neat and different features of the car. So I am extremely excited. Wanted the car for a very long time. It is definitely my dream car. And I mean, we're gonna change some of it. I'm not gonna lie, we're gonna change some of the car. And you guys are gonna follow me through this journey, and then I'm gonna bring this to many shows and show it off to everybody. So hopefully you guys love this preview. As always, guys, I'm the Honda Pro, and now you're in the know.